3 books that you can read as a new analyst starting out. At Fundamental Edge Analyst Academy, we provide a complete reading list with resources that you can check for better understanding stocks, markets, mindset, and more. Today, in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 books that I found to be particularly informative when it comes to the art of investing. The first book is Reminiscences of a Stock Operator. This book is based on the life and times of the famous trader Jesse Livermore. As a new analyst, you might have some analytical ability, but you might not have what's called market sense. This book shows a lot of the strange behaviors that stocks and markets can have and how to monetize those. I think it's much better to read this book and learn the strange ways in which markets and stocks can behave than to learn it the painful, costly way with your own account. The second book that I'd recommend is The Sleuth Investor by Avner Mandelman. This book was actually recommended to me at my first hedge fund internship. As a new analyst, you're looking at fundamentals, expectations, and valuation. But what does your info funnel look like? Where are you getting this information from? This book is a great reminder that the real world doesn't exist in sell-side calls or carefully scripted interactions with companies. It exists in the real world. And this book shows how you can creatively approach mosaic analysis to build conviction in an investment. The third book that I would recommend is Pitch the Perfect Investment. Long before I ever joined Fundamental Edge or met Paul Johnson, this is a book that I would recommend to my mentees looking to enter the world of hedge funds. The reason why I recommend it is it carefully and realistically depicts the analyst and portfolio manager relationship. The analyst will move mountains to get a pitch to a portfolio manager, only for the portfolio manager to say that it's useless. Well, what's going on? The analyst is trying to make money. The PM is trying to make money. So why do things go off the rails so badly? This book explores how analysts can better understand their portfolio manager's implicit and explicit requirements for stock pitches, and I think it's a very informative book for people starting out. I know that if I had read it when I was starting out, I could have saved myself a lot of time and effort. If you have a favorite investing book, drop it in the comments below, and stay tuned for other videos going through different books that can be informative for new investors.